Wouldn't you say one of the healthiest actions any parents can do is to start to cook with their children real foods?
Once parents truly understand. Oh wait, I'll go back a second. What
Sure.
is what is the most common complaint that parents have about their kids? They don't listen. And the reason kids don't listen is because they're not supposed to. If we were to truly tap into how children connect to us best, the answer is they connect to us best by modeling, copying, and imitating. So if you want your kid to learn something or have interest in something, do it
Mhm.
and provide the opportunity for the kid to show interest. Now, toddlers copy everything, and preschoolers copy everything and talk about it and tell stories. So invite them into what you're doing
Mhm.
instead of here's my phone. I got to go to the kitchen. Invite them in, give them an opportunity, get them a stool, get them a chair, get them a mixer, get them a spatula, get them safe utensils that they could do whatever they do and let the dust go. Let the flour go, let the carrots hit the floor, let the pounded meat, flop onto the into the sink. Let it happen. But let kids be part of it
Mhm.
and they will want to eat. Casper, you know this. A lot of people know this. When children are learning how to plant and nurture and harvest fruits and vegetables and whole grains and legumes, when they're there in the fields, they have a much greater interest in eating it and trying it
Mhm.
and cooking it than if they just go to the store and get it.
Yes.
And so, do field trips, go to these places and let your kid experience or grow your own garden in the back, right? Let the kid use the hose or the watering can. Teach your kid how to weed out the leaves, show the kid what it looks like at different stages of growth. Take pictures. Wow, look at that. Keep them part of the process.
Yeah, and I could imagine, for so many parents that seems incredibly difficult because time is, so precious. It is, and that's the thing. It takes sometimes the hard actions to get a healthy child. But again, like you're saying, it's going to be way harder for you when that child has a chronic condition.
Correct.
And that's for the rest of their life unless they take a different approach. But if you go to your conventional doctor, pill after pill, worse year after year, getting worse for a very long time ahead of them.
Here's what's hard. What's hard is wasting time on devices when you could be spending time doing what we just discussed.
Yeah.
What's hard is wasting time on devices when you could be reading a book or reading something about how to do the project that you want to do. What's hard is kids watching parents sit in front of their screens for hours. That's hard. And then expecting the kid is going to somehow develop.
Hmm.
So if you want hard, keep doing what you're doing. Keep spending hours on the devices, keep putting the kids in front of the devices, and then you'll see hard. You'll see hard in a very significant way.
Are you in the camp that children should not have cell phones available to them before teenage years?
Yes.
Yeah. And again, this is the camp of multiple developmental psychologists these days and understanding that sort of, impact on the negative of living in this 2D right in front of you, addictive, uh, you know, non-developmental prone type of reality we are.